No Polish wedding would be complete without vodka. There's always a bottle on the table at festivities, especially in the countryside. And although Poles are drinking more beer, vodka makers still have no reason for concern.
In Poland, each inhabitant drinks on average the equivalent of about 12 or 13 litres of pure alcohol per year. We're definitely in the lead pack in this category.
A statistic that comes with consequences. In the country of 38 million people, 1 in 10 Poles has a drinking problem. And at the new Polish Vodka Museum, that recently opened in Warsaw, there's an effort to educate visitors about the risks. But the main focus is the long and varied tradition of the drink that's so deeply rooted in Polish history. It was used as a medicine in the 15th century and even as a form of payment under communism.
Poland is the cradle of vodka. It's here that we learned to use the distillation process, employing a still. Vodka arrived in Russia a century later.
The rules for making Polish vodka are strict. Production must take place in Poland from start to finish, and only potatoes or grain can be used in the distilling process. Like wine, the flavor of vodka changes depending on the ingredients in the year of production. Potato vodka can be syrupy and sweet, while the rye variety is lighter, a little bitter and strong. Wheat vodka is the mildest.
I dream of seeing Polish vodka get as much respect and recognition as international products like whiskey, cognac or even wine.
But winning prestige without contributing to alcoholism isn't straightforward. Producers must tread carefully, especially in Poland, where any occasion, whether happy or sad, is seen as the perfect excuse for a drink.